Good day, Katie. How are you?
Hi, I'm great. How are you?
Excellent. Thanks so much for taking a few minutes today to get
Oh,
together and give people a bit of an idea of what we're going to talk about.
yeah, very exciting. So we're going to be talking about energy and ways to increase energy, which is exciting.
Excellent. It certainly is much needed. Absolutely. Now, give me a little bit of just a short background of who you are, what you're doing, and why you're doing it, I guess.
Okay. I am an integrative nutrition health coach, and I help busy working parents make small changes to the way that they eat and the way they feed their families so that they can make cooking at home second nature and fun at the same time.
Yeah, so no wonder we're going to talk about energy and maybe getting a little bit more of it, right?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. It's definitely needed. So one of the buzzwords that kind of goes along with this is adrenal fatigue. Can you tell us just a little bit about that and then what types of strategies we're going to touch upon at the event?
Absolutely. I actually have some personal experience with adrenal fatigue. So it's basically when your body has just basically been overstressed and you've not taken care of yourself in a good way and just allowed stress to take over. That could be, choosing some not so healthy foods, not drinking as much water as you need to, possibly using caffeine as a crutch to get through your day, things like that. And so we will be looking at natural ways to combat that issue and possibly even reverse it to the point where you have energy in a natural way throughout your day.
And so we are obviously a functional health team as a holistic, high level functional medicine and integrative medicine uh, health coaching team. We are very interested in kind of controlling our environments to make changes in our lives, right? So uh, can you share a little bit of what people can do naturally to accomplish this addressing adrenal fatigue and the whole stress and whatnot question?
Absolutely. So, aside from the food that we take into our bodies, I always encourage people to look at ways that we're feeding ourselves in other areas of our lives, what we're taking into our lives and our energy. So, looking at how people interact in their relationships and how they're handling their careers and how they're moving, how they're exercising, and what they're doing for their spiritual practice. So those also are just as important in increasing energy. And so depending on how we're doing those things, sometimes we could be depleting our energy. So we'll be looking at that too.
Very, very useful topic to discuss. So I hope everybody comes out, and I want you to know, try to make it there in person. We'll have a nice, informal, open discussion that everybody feels comfortable with participating in and asking questions. If you can't make it, though, or if you happen to be one of our friends that is well outside of the St. Louis area, then don't drive halfway across the country for the discussion. We will also work really hard and hopefully get it to stream properly over Facebook on our Facebook page. Right. So, well, thanks again, Katie, for being here today. Is there anything you want to wrap up with? Anything at all?
No, I just look forward to seeing you all, and I can't wait to share more information about ways to improve energy. It's going to be exciting.
Absolutely. So we're going to post up the date and the link here on this event, and hope to see you all there. Bye-bye. Take care.